When you're upgrading your car's audio system, it's easy to focus on amps and speakers while treating wiring as an afterthought. But using cheap speaker wire kits can seriously compromise your sound and even damage your equipment. Today on autoNmoto, we're exposing the critical problems you need to know about budget speaker wire kits. First, fake wire gauges are common. Many budget kits advertise 12-gauge or 14-gauge wire, but when you strip the jacket, you'll find thin strands surrounded by thick insulation to make the wire look bigger. Thinner actual conductors mean higher resistance, reduced power transfer, and weaker overall sound quality. Second, copper-clad aluminum, CCA, is often used instead of pure copper. CCA wire is cheaper but has much higher resistance than true oxygen-free copper, OFC. Higher resistance starves your speakers of power, dulls your dynamics, weakens your bass response, and increases the chance of amplifier stress or failure. Third, insulation and durability are poor. Budget speaker wire often uses thin, brittle insulation that cracks, melts, or rubs through easily. In a car environment, with vibration, heat, and moisture, cheap insulation leads to shorts, corrosion, or complete signal loss much faster than you might expect. Fourth, signal loss and distortion are real issues. Cheap wires with high resistance cause voltage drops along the line. The result? Noticeable distortion, loss of detail, and a less vibrant soundstage, no matter how good your speakers or amplifiers are. You'll never get the performance you paid for. Fifth, long-term reliability is terrible. Budget speaker wire corrodes faster, oxidizes internally, and becomes brittle over time. What looks fine during installation can degrade rapidly, especially in harsh climates. This leads to random speaker dropouts, weak performance, or even costly troubleshooting and rewiring down the road. In conclusion, saving a few dollars on cheap speaker wire kits can sabotage your entire audio upgrade. Always choose high-quality, true-gauge, 100% OFC speaker wire from trusted brands if you want reliable, clean sound that lasts.